Hello guys, welcome to a new POV review. Today we have this Renault Arkana in this beautiful blue color. We're gonna make this a night POV drive. We're gonna drive a little bit with this car and I'm gonna show you some features of this car. Let's get in. As you can see, the car is already on. We have 3 options for the beginning of this video. We're going to start in My Sense. As you can see, the interior light and the dashboard is changed. We could also change it ourselves. As you can see, the blue, red, green, purple, yellow, orange. The color what you like you can choose. Also the steering is in comfort. In sport we have the steering in sport. The lighting is also red because it's sporty. As you can see, the display will be changed, and in Eco the display will change, and also another light. We begin with Eco. On the screen you can see you have this one and this one. I can show you. It tells you how many torque and horsepower it gives. So let's take it for a spin. This time it will be in Eco. As you can see, the steering is also in sport. As you can see, in the Eco driving modus it's also really fast, because when you put the pedal down it will be automatically put it in the best gear. If you want it also to shift it yourself, the only thing you have to do is put the pedal to yourself. As you can see, it's in manual. You can shift it by yourself if you want. But I'm gonna do it in automatically. really like this LED lighting on this car. It's very good. You can see everything. I also really like the purple color on this car, but we are going to change it to green or white or light blue, and we're gonna put the car in sport modus. As you can see, it already wants to give the full power of the car. The display will be automatically changed also. As you can see on the right side, the torque and the horsepower will be a little extra. It will be, if you drive it in automatically, it will be more sporty. It will be longer in the gear to give you that extra feeling. As you can hear it. I really like the features of this car. As you can see, if I go over the lane, it will be automatically vibrate the steering wheel, so I can notice that I'm not on the road anymore. As you can see, it's pulling, not now, but maybe. No, it's not doing it again. No. Now we're gonna do a little 0 to 90. As you can see, it's giving me the warning again that I'm on the road. We're going to change the mode to my sense. As you can see, the display is automatically changed. I'm going to use the headlight. As you can see, it's very white. I'm gonna not blind the other people. The My Sense mode is the mode that the car will give you after you've driven it. It will be personalized for your drivings. Changed again in the eco modus. I'm going to change the color to purple. And also in the eco modus, the steering wheel is putting in sport modus, so it will be more heavy to steer. If you're driving it, you can change it if you want. In this menu here, you can see the information about it. You will be feeling it when you're driving a little bit harder and driving into the corners. I really recommend this on sport because it gives that extra feeling of this car. This car gives you a very special feeling when you're driving this car, and that's very good for an SUV car like this. It's fast, it's fun to drive, it's new, it looks good. I will show you the outside again of this car in a minute. I'm looking for a good spot. It will be automatically in the parking mode. I will turn the car off. I hope to see you at another video. Also make sure that you checked the review on this car. I will explain the whole interior and the settings of this car. And I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.